Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about vintage effect. So let's start the program.
Let's change the background color, shall we?
Let's load different background and opening some of the wallpapers as usual. And this time just different, let's say this one, and I've added controls for opening some of the settings. By pressing L you can activate resize and it is, I think, faster. So let's try the effect.
A bug has been detected. Over here!
It's a bit strange because I'll show you later it's a bit different from this image and I need to find out where is the issue of the difference between the images that that are related from this one and the output, the exported one. So let's load another picture, another wallpaper. Let's resize it a bit bigger and also apply so let's check them out here and here. So you can see there is a difference, and let me remove something that is not needed here in apply function, not in apply, sorry, in image vintage, and there should be only this one, this and this. No pop-up, it's redundant. Here and also editor with state filter vintage post. That should be. Let's check it. Let's load some of the textures, the wallpapers actually. Let's resize it again. And this time is applied immediately. And the result should be here. Yeah. So the cross sections over the image are removed here in the exported one, but they are visible on the editing one in the texture editor. So if you have some suggestion why this is happening, let me know. And let's see the reports. Some of them are slow, like this one and this one, maybe depending on the image loaded. And here 53 milliseconds on some of the second report.
Let's the code explain begin.
So let's check the code. some of the part you already see for the image UI loading, that I've removed the pop-up. And now here is just getting the size of the width, height and the channels, and one for loop to create sepia and desaturated based on these percents. Maybe it is good idea to set the control over the user. I mean, user should have, or maybe should have, control over these two parameters to change to fade colors and reduce contrast, or maybe by default. And here the new colors of the gray based on this ratio is converted over here, and then darken edges, and here the second for loops with clamping. The clamp is over here between 0 and 255, and based on this darken up to 70% based on this formula, between 0.3. If it is less, just get this value, or if it hyper, just based on this formula get the vignette. And then exporting is pretty simple. It just takes time to go inside the first loop to make sepia tone, fade colors, and then one more time after darken edges to enter inside the nested loops and make the second calculations based on this factor here, and to create the effect of vintage.
Let's the code explain end.
That's all for this video. If you have some questions, suggestions, let me know in the comments below.
Arigato! Until next time!